Whoo, I got some mail. I got some cool stuff. A lot of good stuff. Let's get into it.
I'm just another Chris.
Oh, it's the mail time, baby! Yeah, it's been a while since we've done a mail time. And I've got some cool stuff recently, and I want to show it off to you. But if you want to send over some mail, packages, letters, whatever you want, the P.O. box is in the description. And I do keep everything. If you want to send some old-fashioned snail mail, hate mail, you can. But yeah, I take everything and I put them in a binder and everything. It's really cool. I really appreciate anyone that sends something over. So wow, it's so generous. And there was some major generosity in this haul right here, and I want to talk about it. Let's get into it. Ooh, first package up comes courtesy of Expanalog. Hello, just another Chris. Here are two 35mm film cases, one original by us, Expanalog, and the other personalized. We're based in Portugal, and we're a very recent product. We did the 3D modeling ourselves, and the magnets are placed manually. So each of our products, always an artisanal touch. Artisanal touch. If you want to know more about this project, visit our website, www.expanalog.com. If you need anything specific, just hit us up on Instagram, @Expanalog. Hope you like them. Best regards. Wow, okay, cool. Let's check this out. What we got here is some cases. Check this out. Look, it's got my name on it. That's super cool. For 35mm film. Actually, I got one right here. Didn't even plan it out. What film even is this? It's just been sitting here. Oh, daylight robbery film from Mr. Negative. He sent this to the P.O. box a couple months ago. A couple of them. I gave one away actually. But this is for 35mm film canisters. If I can put it in right there, we go. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Ooh, this another one. Regular one. With their branding on it. It looks like it's 3D printed. Very nice though. Smooth. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm a sucker for this type of stuff. Business card / keychain. This is super cool. I wonder if they do any like instant photography stuff. I'm mostly known for instant photography. I dabble in 35 and 120 here and there, but I really prefer instant photography. I just think it's more fun. But that is super cool. Thank you. Shout out to Expanalog. I'll leave a link to them in the description below if you want to check them out. And I need to dig more into them and see what they got cooked up. Thank you so much. I'll be definitely checking you out a little bit more. Maybe reaching out. Maybe we can make some cool stuff together. Next up. Okay, this one I got about a month ago. So thank you so much. This is from their Instagram handle is Wootography. Yeah, I think that's fun and clever. I was also on their podcast. I think that was earlier this year. Or was it late last year? I think it was this year. I'll leave a link for it in the description below as well. This comes courtesy of Canada. And they sent over a pack of the brand newish, reclaimed green film. And this stuff has been my favorite to shoot of the reclaimed series. I know there's only been 2 so far, but this one's been really fun. And yeah, I really like it. So wow, thank you so much. And you're never going to believe this. They sent over a pack of FP3000B. Like, what? I've never shot this stuff before, ever, and I am really, really excited to try it because I've been prepping for Goose Week Season 2, and it's packed full of goodness with a secret mission. Not really a secret. It's not really secret. I just haven't announced what it is. But there is an end goal by the end of the episode of the series. I'm not going to tell you about it now. If you're a member of the Spitfire Club, which they are actually, and so they kind of already know what the dealio is. But this is going to come in handy. This is going to be super, super cool. I can't wait to shoot it. There was a little note that came with it. It's a clear Post-it note, which I've never seen before. So that's pretty unique and pretty cool. Found myself with a couple, which is kind of wild. A couple extra packs of film, and it's kind of smudgy. I kind of smudged it. What's that say? The instant film. Sorry, it got a little smudged. Have fun, and I can't wait to see what you create. Wootography, super cool. Now, they also let me know on Instagram when I thanked them for sending this over that the storage of this, it's who knows what will happen with the results, but I am really excited to find out. The expiration on this is 2003, so we don't know if it'll work, but I'm really excited to at least tempt it because I've never shot this stuff before. So that is super cool. If you don't know what this is pack film, and this is black and white pack film. So I'm really excited. I can't wait. There was also a bunch of candy from Canada in here, but I promptly ate that. So I can't show you that. But yeah. Now, there was another really cool thing in this box. I thought it was just it's a little icing, a little cherry on top. And because this was already crazy generous right here. But this I just thought was so cool. I love music. And a few years ago, probably back in 2019, so quite a few years ago, I went and saw a band with somebody, Passion Pit. And I never was a really big fan of them, but I just went along because, yeah, whatever. Go out, see some music. But the opening band for them was so good. And I just wish I could have seen them play the whole time. Because actually the concert with Passion Pit was terrible. It was bad. They just weren't very good. But the band that opened up for them was called The Beaches. All-female band. Get it? The Beaches. Great band. They've been blowing up over the last couple of years. They're from Toronto, Canada. Well, Wootography, I believe, lives in Toronto. They went and saw them in concert and snapped some Polaroids while they were there and sent them over to me. How freaking cool is this? I have a music section or corner or nook, if you will, at my house. Big vinyl collection. I've showed it off before on the channel, probably a couple of years ago. But these are going to go in little mini frames and hung up over in that corner. So freaking cool. Now, I am curious how they shot this one. I don't think these are Polaroid Labs just because of the little motion blur this kind of has that you can get from shooting in lower light situations. But I'm curious how they got that close. I don't care. It's still cool. They could be from a Polaroid Lab, but I don't care. I still think it's awesome. Polaroid Lab is awesome. You're able to make some cool stuff with it. I think it's underrated, the Polaroid Lab. But either way, so cool. Thank you, Wootography. And last, but certainly not least, I got a package here from James Holden. And he, I met him at Policon San Francisco. Longtime viewer of the channel. We've talked on Instagram over the years too. Really cool guy. I believe he's a teacher in California. Got a note here. I'm actually going to read this in just a second because I want to show something off first. And that is this right here. He sent a camera and some film, which this film has something to do with a little bit, which we'll talk about in this in a second. But let's talk about this camera for a second. This camera that I hold in my hand, this thing's like basically brand new too, which is kind of crazy. This camera is, I don't know what it's called or how to pronounce it. CMEHA. I think it's like from Germany. I'm not sure, but this camera right here belonged to the one and only Jason Lee. Yeah. That is freaking cool. Now, let's read what James has to say. Hello, Chris. I want to thank you for being a part of this project. Yeah, the project is referencing this film. We'll get into it in a second. Once I picked up this camera from Eagle Rock Camera, you should know that, sounds familiar, and the owner, Jason Lee, told me it was part of his personal collection. Super cool. There was a little caveat though. But he had not tested it. He never actually shot it, which is kind of a bummer, but still pretty cool. If you don't know why I'm so excited about it being Jason Lee's, if you don't know who Jason Lee is, he's just my #1 get for my podcast or the channel. I've been trying to get him on here since 2020. I met him in January of this year and talked him up about being on the podcast, and he was super excited. He gave me his information. I reached out to him, but he never responded. I knew the one person who would appreciate this camera the most, me, which is awesome. Thank you so much. Enclosed is one roll of Cinestill 400D 35mm film for you to shoot on your new camera. He's gifting me this camera. That is just the coolest thing. Wow, it's so generous. My gift to you for helping me with this project. I only ask that you shoot the film and mail it back to me. And then he goes on to explain what this project is, and that is a double exposure little project. He wants me to shoot this film and then send it back to him. Then he was going to shoot it and then develop it. And I believe he's going to be putting it into a zine, which is pretty cool. Thank you for helping Holden Made. He has a YouTube channel, or he's starting a YouTube channel. Make this project real, and let me know if you have any questions. Best, Jason Holden. So cool. I'm excited. I've never done one of these projects before, or I've never done one of these collaborations. Now, I'm going to shoot this film with this camera. There's no electronics to this, which is super cool. This thing is just set your setting, and it's going to fire that same shutter speed every single time based on that one setting. It's cool. It's unique, and it looks brand new. This thing's like mint condition. It's wild. I've never shot Cinestill. I have some in the fridge. Someone gifted to me last year. No, earlier this year. I think it was a roll of 120. I haven't shot it. I need to shoot it, but I'm excited. Thank you so much, James. I appreciate you. Yeah, thank you so much. If you guys want to participate and send some stuff my way, check out the P.O. Box. There's information in the description. Who knows, it might be shown off here on the next video of Mail Time. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. Now, get out there. Make some art.